A fun day of play and learning begins. A little cough escapes unexpectedly.
Bless you, Ziggy. Ziggy, when we cough or sneeze, tiny little germs fly out. They can make our friends sick. The kindest thing to do is to catch them with our cough and sneeze shield.
Watch how germs get caught by the shield of your elbow. Using our cough and sneeze shield is a super kind way to protect our friends and family. It helps stop germs from spreading so everyone can stay healthy and keep playing. Cough and sneeze into your elbow, be kind. A simple move to catch the germs. Practice makes perfect. Let's all be heroes of health. Be kind, use your shield, and keep everyone safe.